Welcome to 5G High-End Health. Over the next weeks, months, and years, this site will evolve as it continually brings you the most cutting-edge information related to optimizing your health so you can experience a life of energy, happiness, and passion well into your 80s, 90s, and beyond. Here's the thing. Now is the time to get healthy, and now is the time to change those not-so-healthy habits into habits that create amazing health and vitality. Because if you do, you're in the perfect place to take advantage of some of the most mind-blowing advances in age reversal taking place in the most advanced labs, universities, and institutions around the world right now. Never was there a more exciting time to be alive when it comes to the ability to truly age in reverse. Not only are you going to learn about those technologies, but you're going to learn how to implement the best of the best in the most efficient way possible. In a way that busy people like you and me with real lives, real jobs, and families can live younger and younger year after year. Now, if that sounds like you, then welcome to 5G High-End Health.